Have you ever found yourself wondering how to retain your best talent? Well, aligning individual purpose to the company purpose might be just what you need. Hi, I'm Francine Belay and I show purpose-driven entrepreneurs, CEOs and professionals a powerful pathway to become thought leaders in their field, attract their ideal clients and impact millions of people globally. In this video, we will explore how aligning your personal purpose with your company purpose can lead to greater success and fulfillment for both you and your organization. So let's dive in. So these days, employees want more than just a job. They want to be inspired, develop themselves, and realize their purpose. If employees are not buying into the bigger purpose of the company, they might just leave. So it is crucial for companies to understand this and create an environment where employees can align their own purpose with the company's purpose. Here are 4 ideas to make this happen. The first one is to understand your own purpose. You need to have a clear understanding of your own values, your goals, and what you want to achieve in your personal and professional life. Once you have this clear understanding of your purpose, you can then start to look for companies whose purpose align with yours. The second idea is for companies to have a higher purpose that individual employees can align their own purpose into. So it is important for companies to have a mission that goes beyond making profits. Employees need to feel that they are contributing to the greater good. So when a company purpose is in line with the employee's purpose, it leads to a much more engaged and productive workforce. The third idea is for companies to provide ongoing learning opportunities for their employees. When employees are given the opportunity to develop themselves, they feel more fulfilled in their work and are much more likely to stay within the company. So company can offer training program, mentoring program, and other development opportunities to help employees grow and align their own purpose within the company's purpose. And the fourth idea is to communicate the company's purpose to employees in a clear and concise manner. Employees need to understand how their work contributes to the company purpose and how it aligns with their own purpose. Company can hold town hall meetings, send out newsletter, and have regular communication with employees to ensure everyone is on the same page. When the company's purpose and the individual purpose are aligned, it leads to success. So organizations that understand this will have a much more engaged and productive workforce, while employees will feel fulfilled in their work and be much more likely to stay within the company. So if you are a business leader or a manager, start thinking about how you can align your company purpose with your own purpose and the personal purpose of your employees. So helping them to develop their personal branding is one of the fastest ways to achieve this. So remember, when you invest in your employees' purpose, you are also investing in the success of your company. So we offer a range of solutions for individuals, teams, and organizations to create a thriving workplace where people love to work. So from training and workshops in personal branding for impact, employee advocacy to keynote speech, webinar, etc. Why don't you get in touch with me today to discuss your objectives at francinebelay.com/call. That is FranCinebeley.com/call. And I'll look forward to talking to you soon. Cheers, bye.